What's going on, everybody? In this video you're going to see a build of a project for reliable machining. It's a steam cleaning machine that also kills weeds, and it is a awesome blowtorch as well. Okay, so I drew out the pattern of my brackets and decided, okay, how am I going to get this onto the steel now? Typically what I'll do is draw this on a CAD software and print it out on sticker paper and then just scribe it into the steel from that point. But thought I'd give this method a try, do a little connect the dots, and I gotta tell you, it was faster than drawing it on the CAD and printing it out on sticker paper. So I definitely dig this method. Alright guys, don't beat me up too bad in the comment section on this one. Yes, I placed those brackets in the most miserable position possible. I would imagine if you do this in a shop, you'd probably get fired if you did it more than once. So I wasted a lot of material where I put this stuff on my blank piece of steel, but I'm in a massive hurry. I've got 3 projects going on at once, and that's where the piece of paper fit nicely. I didn't want any jacking around, and sometimes I feel like I'm wasting money trying to save money because of the amount of time it can take to save money. It's one of those things where I guess you'd have to sit down with a calculator to really figure it out, but my gut instinct is usually right. So I felt I would save less money trying to optimize that cutout. What we got. Chris, I just want to point out that this right here in itself makes for an awesome blowtorch. This blowtorch is 400 degrees hotter than any propane torch you're going to find. I'll show you my little souvenir here. This is 1/4 inch steel that was brazed together by that torch. I need to clean it up. It didn't look like this. All the flux is now starting to become effervescent or deliquescent, whatever one. But that is a powerful blowtorch, friends. This thing ain't no joke. And this steam coil that I'm hooking you up with will be able to slide over this shroud. I'm not going to shove it on there all the way right now, but you get the point. You'll have yourself a very powerful preheat torch or brazing torch. In addition to that, I'm going to hook you up with a nozzle extension here that you'll be able to extend the length of your nozzle so that you can kill weeds without having to bend over, or if you just got a hard to reach area back inside of a machine or something, that'll be a little extra hookup for you there. So definitely cool looking. I'm digging it, man. And the side is the air. This can also run on diesel. I don't recommend using anything other than that. It could probably run on gasoline too. Any liquidy fuel, no oils on this one. I don't know if I would try running an oil on this one or not. Be able to burn waste oil on it. This thing here can burn anything you put down the barrel. Dirty waste oil, anything. But it has this special combustor. This one I don't know about. I've never tried waste oil on it, so we'll see what happens. Just to show you that this isn't no regular torch.
So there you have it, guys. This is not your average blowtorch. Now, I know what you're saying, some of you guys, that it's a bigger torch, obviously it's going to be hot. Well, it's hotter than this Rosebud, and I will leave a link in the description of that race, or that head-to-head test. This thing gets nowhere near that hot. This tiny little torch right here, this is an electrolysis torch. This thing here will also max out that torch. This is a acetone infuser for this torch. So even with the acetone infusion, which cools the flame down, it will max out that thermocouple. So just thought I'd show that just as a separate little video, that in addition to that being a steam cleaner, it is also a very powerful propane torch capable of brazing 1/4-inch steel. And this is not easy to do without an oxygen tank, that is.